The question is concerning a question which was asked yesterday, and it was about the verse أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الذين آمنوا والذين هادوا والنصارى والصابئين من آمن بالله واليوم الآخر وعمل صالحا فلهم أجرهم عند ربهم ولا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون. So he said that some Muslims believe that this verse does not apply in the present context to the Christians of today and to some Jews of today, because some of the Christians believe in Trinity. They don't believe in Allah as they should. And also...
No, but who is going to judge? Allah or they? They become Allah. That's the problem. Moreover, as if Trinity was born after Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The Holy Quran is full of condemnation of Trinity. So don't they see this? It's a very stupid answer which they gave. The Holy Quran is full of mention of Trinity, and it condemns it roundly and powerfully. Kabura maqtan indallahi an taqulu ma la kabura no I'm sorry, no, that's different one. وَيُنذِرَ الَّذِينَ قَالُوا اتَّخَذَ اللَّهُ وَلَدًا مَا لَهُم بِهِ مِنْ عِلْمٍ. Yes, that's وَيُنذِرَ الَّذِينَ قَالُوا اتَّخَذَ اللَّهُ وَلَدًا مَا لَهُم بِهِ مِنْ عِلْمٍ وَلَا لِآبَائِهِمْ كَبُرَتْ كَلِمَةً تَخْرُجُ مِنْ أَفْوَاهِهِمْ إِنْ يَقُولُونَ إِلَّا كَذِبًا. All these verses, this and many other verses, speak of Trinity and attribute Trinity to Christians. And the mullahs today think that the Trinity was invented after the revelation of Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. When the Holy Quran says, إِنَّ الَّذِينَ هَادُوا, obviously Jews are mentioned. When it says Nasara, the Christians are mentioned. There is no third word for the second word for Nasara used in the Quran. So Allah knows what they are. Yet the conditions laid down are Amana Billah. So among them will be many who do not believe in Jesus Christ as Son of God, but who believe in God, because the shart, the condition laid down is Man amana billahi wa bil yawmil akhir. So anyone who subscribes to these two conditions, if judged by Allah to be good, why shouldn't he go to heaven? Right? One thing, of course, has to be explained, that this verse is applicable to those who have not received the message of Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, or received it in a manner that Itmam Hujjat was not done. Different people sometimes convey the message differently, and some do it so defectively that nobody can believe in such a thing. So this, I believe, is understood in this verse, that those of the Jews and the Christians and others who have either not received the message of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam or have received it imperfectly, and they should not be condemned for that rejection because the message was not conveyed, Iblag was not done properly. So such people are, of course, those who are mentioned in this particular verse and some other similar verses. Because if you believe that no non-Muslim, however good he may be, even if he believes in God, even if he believes in the hereafter, even if he does good deeds, can go to heaven, but on the contrary he will go certainly to hell, then the problem would be that a large number of humans who are good, who never heard of Islam or did not hear of it properly, would be condemned to death by God, which is against justice. On the one hand, the Holy Quran demands from Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Balligh ma unzila ilayk. And if you do not, فَإِلَّمْ تَفْعَلُوا فَمَا بَلَّغْتَ رِسَالَتَهُ. If you fail to do it, you will be responsible. So there is no baligh for so many people. No iblagh, I mean, for so many people. And they are good. Why should they be driven to heaven? Not to hell. It's against God's justice. So these verses are very important in the sense that God is absolutely perfectly just, and He will not condemn anyone to hell unless He finds him really guilty of denying Him, rejecting Him, and rejecting the hereafter. You understand this? Once Islam is conveyed, if Islam is known, Islam is properly conveyed, who rejects, he cannot be included in this verse, because then he will reject Allah. When a new messenger comes, he represents God. When knowing that he has reasons in support of him, you reject him, then that is the rejection of Allah, in fact. So he will not be included in this verse then. Amanu billahi. You understand the point? So although no prophet is mentioned here, but Allah is the key to the understanding.